After 40, your body starts changing. Slower metabolism, joint pain, muscle loss, and stubborn belly fat that won't go away. But here's the truth. You don't need a gym, heavy weights, or hours of workouts to stay fit and strong. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple but powerful exercises that you can do right at home in just minutes a day. Exercises designed for people over 40 that will help you stay pain-free, energetic, strong, and confident for years to come. Stick with me because by the end, you'll have a complete daily routine that protects your body, boosts your energy, and keeps you moving youthfully, like no matter your age. Let's dive in. Exercise 1, walking with purpose. Walking daily is magical after 40. It strengthens your heart, joints, and boosts energy naturally without stressing your body. Start with 10 minutes a day. Gradually increase your time. Focus on posture, breathing deeply, and swinging arms naturally. Walking reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, joint stiffness, and even improves mental clarity, mood, and sleep patterns. Maintain a steady pace, keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and eyes forward for the best walking experience daily. Every step you take after 40 is a victory. Small daily wins create massive, lifelong health transformations. Keep going. Set a goal, 7,000 steps daily. It's realistic, achievable, and proven to extend life expectancy by several strong years. Exercise 2, body weight squats. Squats are king after 40. They protect your knees, strengthen your core, legs, and keep you mobile longer in life. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Push hips back like sitting in a chair. Keep chest up and core engaged. Start with 10 squats daily. Add 5 more every week. No rush, focus on quality and feeling strong movement. Holding a light dumbbell while squatting can further boost your strength gains and bone density after age 40 safely. Imagine getting out of chairs easily at 70 years old. Squats build the foundation for independence and joyful aging. Aim for 3 sets of 15 bodyweight squats. It's enough to transform your joints, strength, and daily stamina forever. Exercise 3, standing calf raises. Strong calves mean better balance, faster recovery, and reduced fall risk. Essential for walking stability and healthy joints after 40. Stand tall, hold onto a chair for balance. Raise your heels off the ground slowly, then lower with full control. Begin with 2 sets of 10 slow calf raises. Focus on controlled movements to activate small but important stabilizer muscles. Try single leg calf raises once you're stronger. This challenges your balance, strengthens ankles, and improves core stability over time naturally. Every strong step you take protects your future. Build calf strength now to move confidently for decades without fear. Work up to 3 sets of 20 calf raises daily. Small, consistent effort leads to strong, lifelong healthy legs. Exercise 4, modified push-ups. Push-ups after 40 protect shoulder strength, posture, and heart health. Modified versions keep joints safe but still power up muscles. Keep your body straight from head to knees. Lower chest slowly toward floor, keeping elbows at about 45 degrees. Start with 5 to 8 knee push-ups per session. Focus on slow, steady movement. Gradually add more as your strength improves. To make it harder, move to inclined push-ups using a bench or wall. Progress slowly to full push-ups if ready. Strong arms and chest let you lift, play, and live fully longer. Push-ups literally push you toward vitality and strength. Aim for 2 sets of 10 modified push-ups first. It builds heart health, stamina, and vital upper body strength. Exercise 5, plank holds. Planks fire up your core, support spine health, and boost balance after 40. Strong cores equal safer, steadier living. Align your shoulders with elbows, tighten your core and glutes. Keep body straight without sagging hips or raised backside. Hold the plank for 15 to 20 seconds first. Add 5 seconds each week as your muscles grow stronger over time. Once basic planks feel easy, try side planks. They target your obliques, building all-around trunk strength for better stability. Strong core muscles keep you active longer. Planking today means bending, lifting, moving with strength even decades from now. Aim to hold a plank for 1 minute eventually. It's the best 60 seconds you'll invest in your future. Exercise 6. Bent over dumbbell rows. Rowing movements fix poor posture, strengthen your back, and prevent hunching as you gracefully age into your best years. Bend slightly at hips, back flat. Pull dumbbells towards your waist, squeeze your shoulder blades, and lower slowly with control. Use light dumbbells first. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions focusing on squeezing shoulder blades tight at the top of each row. To intensify, pause at the top for 2 seconds, squeezing muscles hard. Small holds create big strength gains over time. A strong back lets you stand proud, carry loads, and age powerfully. Build resilience now, live empowered later. Aim for 3 sets of 10 dumbbell rows. Strong back muscles equal lifelong balance, posture, and injury protection daily. Exercise 7. Seated knee extensions. Strengthening quads after 40 saves knees, boosts balance, and helps you walk, climb, and move, pain-free for many years. Sit upright. Slowly extend one leg straight. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower gently. Focus on slow, controlled movement always. Start with 10 reps per leg daily. Rest as needed. Slow and steady strengthening protects joints better long term. Add light ankle weights when you're ready. This extra resistance helps muscles grow stronger, protecting knees naturally against daily wear. Strong legs carry you through life's adventures. Invest now, enjoy independence, hiking trips, grandkids games, and happy movement later. Aim for 2 sets of 15 reps per leg daily. Healthy knees mean limitless active years ahead without limits.